If you want to learn how to peel tomatoes, we have 3 easy methods for you. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are peeling tomatoes. We have 3 easy foolproof methods on how to peel your tomatoes and get them ready to make tomato powder or marinara sauce, which both we will share in a later video. So to begin, you want to start off with a clean sink, and I also have a video coming up later on during the week on how to properly clean your sink. Once you've placed your tomatoes in the sink, go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of distilled vinegar, and the vinegar will help us kill any bacteria or germs that was left behind during handling at the store. So our first method is peeling and cutting the tomato with a knife. So you want to go ahead and cut off the core. You can slice it. Next, on the opposite end, make an incision no more than 1/2 inch. You can use the X method if you'd like. That helps us to peel the skin back, and carefully take your paring knife and peel the skin back towards you. Continue on with the process until you have removed all of the skin from the tomato, and place it aside and repeat the process. Starting off with an X, take the skin, peel it back towards you. Rotate the tomato and continue on until you are done peeling. To remove the core, you can take your knife, take the paring knife, and carefully insert the knife at the bottom of the tomato, pivot slightly, going around in circular motion, and remove the core. And our second method is the blanching method. Basically, you take a stock pot and bring the water to boil. Again, place an X on one end of the tomato and put the tomatoes in for about 45 seconds. Once you are done, remove the tomatoes, place it in a bowl, and immediately cool it down with cold water. You can also put it in an ice bath. That way, it stops the tomato from cooking. Again, take your paring knife, peel the skin back towards you, rotate the tomato, and complete the process. Our third method is the hot water bath. In this case, you are boiling the water in a stock pot. Place the tomatoes in a clean sink and pour the hot water over the tomatoes. You're still doing the same thing, but letting it stay for about 45 seconds. You do not want to cook the tomatoes, you just want to blanch it. Okay, what you will notice is that the tomato will start to become wrinkled. The skin will start to become wrinkled. Okay, and some of which may also start to peel back, which is perfectly fine, and that's exactly what you need. Once the tomatoes are cool enough to touch, take your paring knife again, and as you can see here, the knife is not really necessary because the skin is already peeling, so just take your fingers and peel it back towards you. Use your knife to remove the core if you haven't already done so, and that's it. This is 3 of the many ways that you can peel the skin of tomatoes and have it ready for you to use to make your homemade marinara sauce or add the tomatoes to stew. I really hope that you found this video to be helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions or have any comments, and we will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. We post new videos weekly. Cheers.